A powerful tornado devastated the entire area around the city of Prague. In the Czech Republic, as a result of a devastating tornado, on videos posted on the internet, you can see houses and cars, uprooted trees and burning forests and buildings. The region was also hit by hailstones the size of tennis balls. The mayor said that the tornado leveled half of this community to the ground. In many areas of the Czech Republic there were power outages. Fallen trees blocked the central highway linking Prague and the Slovak capital Bratislava.